Okay, so the first step to how we detangle our hair after braids, you're going to use a 3-to-1 ratio when it comes to water and conditioner in a spray bottle. You want more water than conditioner. You're going to use either your Joico Moisture Recovery Conditioner, your Hydra Splash Conditioner if your hair is on the finer side. If your hair has a lot of gel mo, you're still going to use this technique. This is whether your hair has a lot of gel, whether you had extensions in your hair, whether it's braids or twists, whether it's coming out of a sew-in or box braids. Okay? Joico Moisture Recovery Conditioner, if your hair is fine, or I'm sorry, if your hair is medium or coarse. If you have fine hair, the Hydro Splash Conditioner for moisture, and then the sexy hair conditioner if you've been moisturizing while you were in your braids already. Okay? Which leads me to my next point, Bessie. Okay? Now, if throughout your braid style, you've been using your rose gold oil, right? Every 7 to 10 days, making sure that you press it into the ends of your hair so that your hair is moisturized, you likely don't even need to do this. I would have the spray bottle on standby just in case, but if you've been moisturizing your hair while you were already in the braid style, you probably don't even need to do this step. Okay? Spray bottle with water and conditioner. You start at the bottom of your hair with a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush. You want your hair in front of your hand so that you have some stability when you are detangling. And you start at the bottom, work your way up at the top. When you are using your spray bottle, do your best to concentrate the product on the middle of the hair strand down to the ends and avoid the scalp. Here's why. Here's why you avoid spraying the scalp. Because too often we got a braid stuck in there still. Okay? You have a braid stuck in there still. If you wet your hair with a braid stuck in there still, when you go to detangle it, what is going to happen? Feet don't fail me. Y'all don't fail me now. If you saturate your hair, if you wet your hair, saturate your hair in product, you have a braid still left in there. When you go to detangle, what's going to happen? Knots. Thank you, Nat. Thank you, Injury. Right? I had one of the young boss ladies come in maybe like 6 weeks ago. Guess what she did? What is the quinto? How do you get jumped into gang black girl fresh out of braids? What's the one big mistake you have probably made coming fresh out of braids that you'll never make again? Exactly, Jeanette. What's the one mistake we have probably all made coming fresh out of braids that you refuse that mistake you'll never make again? Y'all know what it is. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Danielle, what up, Mo? Exactly, Kanita. Jesus. Gloria? Jody? Jody, put a couple more exclamation marks in the chat. Injury, put a couple exclamation points in the chat. Cause the kind of sadness, the kind of sadness that comes over you when you don't detangle your hair fresh out of braids and you go straight to wash it. Jeanette, make you want to Britney Spears. 08 Britney Spears. Cut it off. Done. You know what I mean? Done. Right? So, don't do this. Right, Marquis? Don't do that. Exactly. I would just cut it all off because there's no way this kind of matting is going to end well. Cut it all off. Khadid, tell me that we've learned our lesson, though. Wrap it up. Exactly, Will. Wrap it up. I'm done. We're done. We're done.